What is the most inappropriate thing a teacher has ever done in class? Well, not really a teacher, but my principal. My high school had a strict policy on cell phones. Every morning we were expected to turn them into a basket in the office, and we couldn't get them back until after the afternoon announcements. During the last week of my junior year, I had a religion final. I usually kept my phone hidden in my locker, but that day I had totally forgotten about the exam and had left it in my bag. We were almost out of time for the exam. About 15 minutes left, when someone's phone went off. Everyone instantly looked at me since they knew I liked to keep my phone on me, but it wasn't. I usually turned it off to save battery. The classroom was so quiet, you could hear a pin drop. Ms. C slowly stood up, looked around the room and then walked into the hallway to call the office. I took this moment to rummage through my bag, find my phone powered off, and hide it in a thick folder. When she came back, she told everyone to stay behind so we could sort it out. The last 15 minutes of that final went by agonizingly slow. My heart was beating out of my chest as I tried to finish the short essay section. It wasn't my phone, so whose could it have been? What if my phone made some kind of noise because it had died? What if she finds my phone and I fail? I had never gotten a detention or bad grade because I was that student. All the teachers liked me. When afternoon announcements came on over the loudspeaker, I almost slouched with relief, but then the principal's voice came on and started speaking to us. Students in room L1, stay in your seats until further notice. A few minutes later, the principal's secretary came to our door. She made all of us line up single file. None of us were allowed to leave the room until she went through each and every one of our bags. She then instructed us to walk to my teacher and turn our pockets inside out to prove we didn't have any electronics. Mind you, this is only a religion final that the teacher made up, not even a state exam or anything that would really stop us from passing. There was another kid in my class named Nick who also carried his phone around a lot, among other forbidden things. He was well known by all the teachers in the school and also the local law enforcement. So me and Nick stood waiting at the back of the line. Was it you?